Welcome to the channel. Today I'm doing something a little bit different. As you can see, I'm inside my house. I'm going to do a little bit of home repair in my kitchen and over by my computer. This house is, I don't know, about 20 years old. And we got some incandescent lights that we like to get rid of. I found something that's going to be relatively cheap, easily to retrofit. I'm talking about changing out, I don't know if you can see, let me turn this light off, these lights in my kitchen. I don't know if you can see those old eyeball looking swivel lights. Okay, I want to change them out to LED. I bought a box of lights that'll retrofit in there. You take those down a little bit. You leave the cans up there, the recessed part, and you switch them out with these LED lights. I bought a box of 12. Link will be in the description below if you're interested. I am an affiliate, so there's, helps out the channel, but there's no additional charge to you, okay? You can either buy these single, I think 2 packs, 4 packs, 6 packs, 8 packs, 12 packs, or whatever, and on up, basically. May not be this brand, but there's other brands, all right? They're all generally, similar. But anyway, I ordered a 12 pack. I have 8 lights in here. I have 2 lights over my computer. Let me show you. So that'll be 10 lights, but I got 12, so I'll just have 2 as a spare. So, I got 2 over my computer here. There's my computer, okay? Forgive the mess. I'm gonna change those out too. I have 2 more lights in my living room. You can see them up there, but they're in front of the fireplace. This is gonna be a different video because I'm gonna use different lights here. We actually, my wife likes to decorate here a lot and stuff, so we actually use these lights sometimes, and we do have them swiveled so the light shines down over, the fireplace or whatever. So I'm gonna need to replace these ones with different lights, but that'll be a different video. Anyway, let's show you what I got. I got a box of these Sunco LED. So LED lights. I got 12 of these. Plastic. There's the LED. And here's the plug. There's also a switch on the back, so you can have different settings to how bright you want this. And when I put it up, let's see here. I'll show you the different settings. But anyway, there's like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 settings. All right, I don't know if you can see, but there's 2700 K lumens, 3000, 3600, 4000, and 5000. Okay, I'm probably going to leave it on the lowest setting because we like a softer light. As you can tell, they're a little bit soft, and as you can tell, I got different bulbs in all of these. But anyway, so it comes with this. Also comes with the thing to screw into the light bulb socket to retrofit the light bulbs I have up there. And you got a plug. And it comes with a bag of a whole bunch of these spring clips that sit down in here. Okay. Okay. So these, you just pop them in there. They got little brackets. So these supposedly you could do 5 to 6, I guess, inch holes, lights, recessed lighting. Yeah, so that's why they pivot a little bit, but I'll show you how to install them. But this goes up to 6 inch. These lights only, they're 13 watts. So I should be able to save some energy here too on these, replacing all these, because this kitchen light's always on. So let me get set up here. I'm not gonna show you putting all these lights in, but I will show doing, I'll do the one over the sink for now, because it's a single light. All right, I'll show you how to do that. Let me get the camera set up, and I'll show you how to do it, and then I'll be back. All right, can you see me? Hope so. First thing you need to do is take your bulb out. Don't need this bulb. Unscrew it. Depending on how things are, this looks like it's been painted on a little bit. You may have to do a little touch-up painting or repainting, but we're gonna redo the ceilings. We got some cracks that we need to fix here and there from settling, like a hairline crack here. But because I don't, we'll just see here. Come on, there we go. There we go. My wife painted here, and it's a little bit, stuck. So all you gotta do is pull this down. And some of you might have some foam here. So what we're gonna do, you pull it down, and you got some clips here, you just release them, and release. There we go. All right. And then your light should hang down a little bit. Okay. What we are gonna do is we're gonna, at the top, I don't know if you can see, our eyeball lights have, let me get this foam out of here. It's all dry rotted anyway, get rid of that. Shit's falling everywhere. The part where your light bulb screws into in the back, it's got a little push thing. You just push it and it releases. There, okay? We'll just let that hang there. So all you need to do is take one of these and screw them in. Okay. And then you can plug this in. And it should work. So let me turn this on so you can see. There. Okay. It works. Okay. I don't know how good this is going to show, but this is at the lowest setting. I'm going to flick up the light one, another setting. I don't know if you can see the difference, and they all change. Okay, so I'm gonna put them all on the lowest setting here, because we like a warmer light. And then see what it looks like when I have them all done, and it's easy to change. You just slide them back down and flick the switch a little bit. So we'll see what my wife likes. So all you need to do is just tuck this stuff up in there. You take these clips, you squeeze them, put them back in where the old ones were. Okay. Shit's still falling. And you just slide them on up. All right. So it does look like we are going to have to repaint. Okay. Because this is where our old one was, and these ones are a little bit smaller, which is no big deal. But they fit right up there pretty good. Easy. Turn it on. There we go. What do you think? Okay. Yeah, our little trim ring is a little bit smaller. It goes right up there. So we are going to have to, we'll just sand this down and repaint. But we got to do our ceilings again. All right. stop here. I'll put them all in and show you the end result. All right. Okay, I finished the kitchen. So I got all these in. So 1, 2 on this side, 1, 2 on this side, 3 in the center, and then 1 over the sink. 8 in here. What do you think? They just go right up in there, retrofit. We'll have to repaint the ceiling because the trim plate is a little bit smaller, but we gotta patch up some cracks in here anyway. So let me go show you over my computer. Boom, them two, lowest setting, still pretty bright. I usually don't use this light that much, and these ones are pretty easy. These ones went in really good. Oh, you can't really tell. Let me throw on the hall light. There you go. I don't know if you can see, but there. Real nice. So yeah, they fit real snug. Go right up there. As long as your, what do you want to call it? Your tube for your light, you know, recessed light tube is flush against the ceiling. You may have to tighten up, push the little sliders in there to tighten up against the sheetrock. But other than that, it works great. Now these ones over the fireplace, like I said, future video, different lights. So if you're interested in seeing what those are, stay tuned to the next video when that comes out. But anyway, easy, quick and easy. Quick and easy install. We'll wait and see how my wife likes them. I will have to contact the company, see if they'll send me another light. This is one of my spares I have. Like I said, I needed 10. I ordered a box of 12. But one of these, if you look, the tab is broke. So I can't put one of these in that snaps in there. It's supposed to have a snap. Broke. So I will have to contact them to see if they'll send me just one of these because I'm not taking these all out. It really finished up the job. These ain't that expensive, so we'll see. I'll let you know if they'll send me one. I've had this for a while too, so hopefully, you know, they'll send me one because it's, you know, I bought this prior to, you know, Christmas and New Year's holidays, so we'll see. I'll let you know. Anyway, so if this interests you, there'll be a link in the description below. Easy, cheap retrofit. And hopefully it saves me a little bit more money on my power bill. My power bill ain't that bad, but they should, because these they don't use a lot of power. They look a little bit better. And you know, if they blow out, I'll just buy another package of whatever. They you know, they're supposed to last so long, you know, a good long time. If I have any issues, I'll tell you in a future video, but anyway, that's the end of this video. If this kind of stuff interests you, you know what to do, hit all those buttons. And I will let you know how I make out with sending an email or whatever to this company to see about getting another one. Until next time, peace. Okay, here's a quick update. I sent Sunco an email saying that one of the lights were broken, and can they send me another one? I gave them the SKU number, and I gave them my, you know, and I sent them a copy of my receipt and stuff. They replied back to me the next day and sent it right out to be shipped. So I got one coming on the way. No questions asked. Gave me a tracking number, so it should be here in a couple days. like I said, you know, I don't need it right now because it's a spare one because I bought a 12 pack. So, no issues. They didn't even question it. You know, I sent them a picture where it was broke and that was it, you know. They responded back and said they'd send me another one. So, seems like a good company for customer service. Just wanted to update you. Peace.